Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Dalal Street Week Ahead program. April is a 5-week series and 4 weeks are over, and mostly it was only the IT companies that came out with results, and apart from IT it was only ACC and HDFC Bank. So these are the two major companies that came out with results. But next week we are going to have many companies that are set to declare the results. Yesterday ICICI Bank came out with the results. It's a very good results, but still it is below the market expectation. And Monday Tech Mahindra, Tuesday Maruti, Bajaj Finance, Britannia, Axis Bank, Wednesday Bajaj Finserv, Thursday Hindustan Unilever, Titan, Bajaj Auto, Friday IndusInd Bank, and most important, after the market hours on Friday, it is Reliance Industries that is set to declare results next week. So there is going to be a lot of stock specific action next week. First, let us see what we discussed last week. Last week Nifty was around 14,600. So I said markets are likely to trade between 14,200 and 15,000. And Monday market gapped down and fell drastically. And despite that, Nifty future took support around 14,200. And that 14,200 was held throughout the week, except one day when in panic it came a bit below 14,200. But that is only during intraday. So March series, Nifty closed around 14,325 and now it has closed 14,340. So in the last 4 weeks, markets are hugely volatile, but despite that, on a close to close basis, we have not gone anywhere. By looking at the open interest for the next week, so surprisingly, the 14,000 put option has been maintaining its highest open interest since the beginning of this month. So that shows the confidence of the writers that Nifty will not break 14,000. In fact, even in the month of March also, that was the case. However, there is one big fear. The last 3 Mondays, markets have seen Monday mayhem. And last 3 Mondays, Nifty fell more than 400 point intraday. On one Monday, it closed more than 500 point down. The remaining 2 Mondays, there was some recovery about 150 to 200 points. Now, with coronavirus cases and crossing all-time high, 3.5 lakh cases, and the reports that I'm receiving from the ground looks very disturbing. People are sending messages for oxygen, remdesivir, and all kinds of medical helps frantically. And not only in India, even Japan has declared some emergency in 4 major cities. So though US markets closed higher on Friday, so Monday morning we have to see how the Asian markets will be reacting. Particularly, the emerging markets are facing the heat of this COVID situation. And the most prominent one being India. India has been hugely underperforming because of this coronavirus. So let us hope that this coronavirus peaks out very soon and plateaus and then start falling. And right now, this corona-induced fear will keep coming to haunt the bulls in the stock market. You can expect sudden falls. And the last week, FIIs, they have sold so much. I think in the last 4 trading sessions, they have sold for more than 4,000 crores. So the FII selling continues, but at the same time, one good news is that the people think market has corrected significantly, and people think 6 months, 1 year down the lane, markets are likely to be higher. That is why they are pumping in money into mutual funds. That is why last month there was a net inflow into the mutual funds after so many months. So the domestic institutions, with the help of this money, they are supporting the market. And in fact, the last 1 week, every day domestic institutions are buying more than what foreign institutional investors are selling. So that is the one reason why the market has not broken down. We can expect the same trend to continue next week also. So it is a tug of war between bad local cues and good global cues. It is a tug of war between FII selling and DII buying. And because of this, markets tend to be highly volatile and go up and down very violently. But despite that, for the last 4 weeks on a close to close basis, market has not gone anywhere. But some positive things. Now the bank Nifty is trying to recover from the blues. And last week, the bank Nifty has actually outperformed Nifty. So next week is going to be the expiry week, monthly expiry. And usually the last week of the monthly expiry tends to be more volatile. So we can expect the market to be more volatile. And I still expect Nifty to take a support at 14,200. But in case if there is any more bad news from Corona front, and if the 14,200 is broken, then the next support still will be at 14,000. So 14,000 is a very, very strong support. So I'm expecting Nifty to trade between 14,000 and 14,800 for the next week. So disclaimer, this is just only for educational purpose, and this is my gut feeling, and there is no hypothesis behind this. So if you want to take any position, please consult your financial advisor. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.